time once again for The Law and You. Today we have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman with us. What are we going to be learning today? I can't wait to find out.
Yesterday was exciting. So
yes, it was. It sets the bar high.
Firing shots at people.
Yes. Go to the shooting range.
Yes.
Go to the woods. Yes. So this question today comes from Bill from Shamokin. Bill says, I recently signed a contract to buy a business. I did some additional research, and I am nervous that the business isn't what I was told. There is a due diligence time frame, but I'm not sure I can get out of the deal.
Well, if there's in the contract, if there's a due diligence time frame, I mean, that's it. You're out of, and you're doing your due diligence, as long as you're within that time frame, and you go to them and say, hey, I've done my due diligence, what you've told me is not accurate, here's why. I think you're well within your rights, and you're going to be able to get out of the deal, as long as there's, that's really specified in the contract that you signed, that there is this period of, period where you're going to be able to, research it before you have to make payment on whatever the sale price is. So.
And I think, a lot of people, when they do these business transactions and they enter into these contracts, they don't really, contemplate, they think they can do it without a lawyer. And these are the reasons why you have to have somebody who has a trained legal mind to read those contracts in the context they need to be read, because sometimes you think it's one thing and you may be wrong. So we recommend, in these situations, you get a lawyer involved, sometimes even better on both sides, so there's a clear contract and a meeting of the minds, because that's where, the ambiguities, that's where a lot of deals fall apart. So take the time, hire a lawyer on these cases. I think you'll be better served.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it something you guys would be able to handle?
Yeah, we have some folks in our office now that handle a lot of transactional work, contractual work, so we could absolutely handle it.
All right. Easy to reach them so many ways. Give them a call, find them online, or track them down on social media. Guys, thanks so much for being here today. And we will see you next time. If you have a question, just go to pahomepage.com, or you can give the hotline a call.